Attorneys general from 24 states, led by Oregon, Arizona, California, and New York, have filed a lawsuit against President Trump over his new global tariffs, imposed after the Supreme Court struck down previous tariffs. The lawsuit argues that Trump is overstepping his authority by imposing tariffs under Section 122 of the Trade Act of 1974. This has never been invoked before. Critics claim these tariffs will raise costs for businesses and consumers, potentially costing American households around $1.200 annually. The tariffs, set at 15%, are limited to 5 months unless extended by Congress. The states argue that Section 122 was not designed to address trade deficits and should not be used to impose sweeping tariffs. They contend that the president is misusing his powers granted by Congress. Meanwhile, the White House maintains that Trump is acting within his legal rights. This lawsuit follows a Supreme Court ruling that struck down Trump's previous tariffs imposed under the International Emergency Economic Powers Act. The case, now before the U.S. Court of International Trade in New York, could have significant implications for trade policies and consumer costs. If successful, it could lead to refunds for companies and consumers affected by the tariffs and limit the president's ability to impose trade barriers. The situation is still developing, with both sides preparing their arguments in court.